Hey guys, this is James here, and today I will be reviewing a product called Food for Freedom. There is actually a lot of buzz about this product in online market. So, what this product is? Food for Freedom is actually a complete take you by the hand blueprint to building your very own aquaponics garden, so you can put your own food on the table in just a few weeks. There are no fancy jargon, no academic lingo, no technical mumbo jumbo that will take an engineering degree to understand. Everything presented inside was gained through days of work and trial and error in order to slash the building cost and make it as newbie friendly as possible. The author's promise is that you will be able to build your own system in as little as 5 hours, even if you have never held a hammer in your life. This is a foolproof, dirt cheap shortcut to obtaining food independence. Building an aquaponic system can be super easy and funny if you follow the instructions. In this program, he will show the perfect alternative to a 4000 bucks fish tank. At $65, this is the most expensive part of the system, but sometimes it's even free to collect. This system will keep you and your family supplied with nutritious food while the unsuspecting and gullible fight over scraps. The way I see the way I see it, this is the only way to secure your food independence and food crisis. The Food for Freedom program contains all the knowledge you need to get your system up and running and operate it daily using at most 5 minutes of your time. You will discover how to grow the biggest, tastiest tomato, radishes, broccoli, and carrots. Just follow the simple instructions, and you will never have to spend a dime to get your favorite vegetables. And because there are no pesticides or chemicals involved, you will feel their full natural flavors. The best thing about using aquaponics is that you can start using it the moment it is ready, and it will slash your grocery bill by 80% in the first 6 weeks. That adds up to thousands of dollars in savings over a couple of months. Just another great part about being self sufficient. Now, Bill wanted to make sure you can get the most out of your Food for Freedom program and be completely satisfied with your investments. That's why he also adding 4 exclusive bonuses into this bundle that are only available today. These 4 special bonuses are designed to complement Food for Freedom in every possible way. So first bonus is DIY greenhouse blueprint. Second bonus is simple survival canning. Third one is setting up your survival seed bank. And the last bonus that will complete your self-sustaining food stockpile is called Container Garden Secrets. So overall, it seems to be a good product for a solution to food crisis system. If you like this video, I request you to subscribe to my channel and get future updates about my another reviews. Thank you guys.